Welcome to the Life Coach Office Training Room. In this video, we are going to talk all about modules. Now, your modules are the subgroups or your subtopics to your course. So if we're using the example of the book, your course is the actual book, but your module is a subchapter, your lesson is a chapter. Your module is the area where you group lessons together that are similar, that go together, and allow people to take them all at a similar time successfully. What you're looking at in front of you is we've gone into the training room, we're in the classroom, and we're in the New Year offer for 2018. What you see here, examining beliefs, getting physically fit, examining finances, these three things are the actual three modules that are currently residing within the course. Underneath that, what you see are lessons that we pulled into the course when we created it. Now, what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you how to actually create a module, and then we're going to move the lessons into a corresponding module. So let's just get started. You simply are going to click on a new module. Remember, a module is really just a subgroup, another area that you're going to put information in, where you're going to host lessons. And this module title is just going to be an introduction. We're going to leave all of this as only Coach can view for now. Just keep that in mind, because we are creating everything and we don't want to give access to people until the course is completely created. And so now, as you can see, we have an introduction along with these other three modules. And I want to move the introduction to the top, because exactly the way you see this is the way clients will see it as well. It's as simple as just clicking on the arrow. And as you can see, it is moving up and it is now at the top. No need to click submit or anything like that. So here are your four modules. The other thing that I would like to do is I would really like to alter the title of New You Lesson 1 just a little bit, okay? I want to make New You Lesson 1 all about beliefs. And so we're going to click the edit button. And when we do that, what will happen is that the lesson will come up. And here in the lesson title, we're just going to shift the name. And we're going to add to it all about beliefs. Okay, now keep in mind, everywhere that you use this lesson, this entire title will come up. So you don't want to change it if there are going to be areas where that title wouldn't really be the correct title. But since I know that this particular lesson 1 is all about beliefs, I'm just giving more clarity to it. Okay, as you can see now, when we've gone into this lesson is being used in the New Year Offer 2018, but it's also being used in the Business and Career course. This is the area where you can put a lesson introduction. It's not the same as the course. The course is all about all of the modules and lessons, okay, in just a few sentences. This is a particular lesson, and so we're going to just put that introduction there. This is the actual lesson. We embedded it. And for now, we're going to leave this alone, because the rest of it I'll show you in a separate video. We're clicking submit because we really just wanted to go in and change the title. Now, in changing the title, it doesn't change anything else. It's simply going to change the title. It's not going to cause the lesson to move position or anything like that. So when we click again into the course, New Year Offer, what we're going to see are all the modules that we created, along with all the lessons that we pulled into it from the beginning. So let's just start now with moving our lessons into our modules. So here is New You Lesson 1, All About Beliefs. And we want to put that in the Examining Beliefs module. Simply click the Edit button. And down here where it says your courses, it says here are all the courses. These are the courses that this is in. We're going to click New Year Offer 2018. And what shows up are the modules that are created for that particular course. We're going to click Examining Beliefs and the arrow, and that is where we are directing this lesson to go. We're going to click Submit and watch what happens. It's like magic. When we come back to our screen, we're going to go and click into the New Year Offer. That's the course we're working with. And look at that. That particular lesson no longer is existing where it was. We see 3 lessons here now, not 4. And that's because if you go into the Examining Beliefs area, the New You Lesson 1, All About Beliefs is there. Okay? Now let's do this again with the introduction. We're going to close this, because obviously we want this welcome to be a part of the introduction. So we're going to go to the welcome. We're going to click the Edit button. And we're going to do the same thing here. We are going to move the welcome into that module. So again, we come down. These are all of the courses. These are the courses that are selected because these are the courses that this video is a part of. We want to click on the video that we're working, the course that we're working with, and all of the modules for that course comes up. This is the welcome. And so we want it to be a part of the introduction. We're going to highlight the introduction, click the arrow button, and that is the module that we have now selected. When we click Submit, once again, we're going to see now that there are 2 lessons instead of 3 that are a part of, that are not a part of a module. There you go. New You Lesson 2 and Establishing Goals are not a part of a module. So let's just go ahead and we're going to make these 2 lessons a part of a module. So we're going to take New You Lesson 2, Making a Difference. Hopefully you'll know what to do by now. You're going to just click into the Edit area. And remember, these are all the courses. These are the courses that this particular lesson is a part of. We are working with the New Year Offer. When you click that, all of the modules for that come up. And we are clicking Getting Physically Fit, moving that over, and that is the module that this video will be a part of. Now there's only one more video that we need to move into a module. I wanted to do this several times to make sure that you understood it. So, Establishing Goals. We're going to click the Edit button. This particular lesson does not have any video attached to it. It only has documents attached to it. These are all of our courses. These are the courses that this lesson is already a part of. We're going to click the New Year Offer because we are working with that particular course. And we're going to make this a part of Examining Finances. We're going to click the arrow to select that module. Okay. Now there's one other thing that I want to do with this particular lesson. We want to add a document to this, because with every lesson, remember, you can add PDFs, documents, MP4s, you can add different things to it. Now, while this lesson already has just a couple of things here, we want to add one more. So we're going to click Browse. We're going to go into our system here. And the finance checklist is what I'm looking for. And we're going to click Upload. And there you have it. That document is now a part of this lesson file. All right. Now, let's take an overview of our course. Our course is the New Year offer for 2018. All right. This is the area where you would put a description of the course if you wanted to show a description, a basic overview of the entire course. Remember, there's 4 modules, as many lessons as you want. You can just say something on a very large scale, something about what they can expect by taking part of the course. That would go there. When we click into this particular course, then what we're going to see now are only the modules because we've moved all the lessons. So we have an introduction, we have examining beliefs, we have getting physically fit, and we have examining finances. Okay? If you wanted to move any of these modules around, maybe you want examining finances before getting physically fit, you simply click the arrow button and it will just move. See? It just moves. Awesome. When you click the plus button, it will expand and you will see the lessons underneath it. Now remember, you can have as many lessons as you would like to have within a module. We've only put 1. You can have video. You can have video that also has documents. You can have just documents. You can have audio. You can have this set up any way you would like to have it. This is what the modules are all about. You can, if you, you may want to have a separate video or another document in the welcome area that maybe is some kind of workbook. Maybe it's another video, you know, just to motivate them. Whatever it is that you want to do. This is your course, it's your program, and these are your people. This is what it looks like. I'm going to just now close this out so that you can see once again just the 4 modules without seeing the courses behind it. And we are done. This is exactly what it looks like when you create modules. Again, you can have as many modules as you want with lessons inside of them, and you'll give access to your clients as they take part in the course. In the next course, we're going to go deeper into the lessons. We're going to show you how to create brand new lessons and show you some interesting things that you can do to even customize this course even more. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, happy coaching.